So here we see the mother and father at work at my fantastic daughter's birdhouse here at Røyskattlia, where we live, and we are trying to live in peace and harmony in Porsgrunn commune in Norway. So this is the birdhouse she and me put up a couple of years ago. And we put it out at finn.no for rent. And we had to take it out from rent because it took 20 minutes and birds moved in there. It's called Røyskattlia 14B. And they're not paying anything, except from the joy of seeing them taking care of their kids. And that's the whole thing, isn't it? To take care of the kids. I say so. The thing is that just around the corner there, you can see the garage there. There lives Gøril Fagerlund Soldal and her husband, Åsmund Karlsrud. He is a gymnastic teacher at Kjølnes ungdomsskole in Porsgrunn, where the children with theirs is nude when they're taking the shower after his lessons. And this Gøril Fagerlund Soldal, she changed her name in 2021 because so did the mother. The mother, she is a psychologist specialist, changed her name in 2021. Just Google her name. Eli Margrethe Fagerlund Soldal, and you will see it come up only in 2021, when she made her company there. She lives at Spikkestad together with her husband, Tore Soldal, which is the vice police chief in Oslo Police District. And earlier he was in the crime court, international crime court in Netherlands. The one who told me that was Gøril, after I removed snow for her last winter. And the rest of that story you can see in one of the films at our YouTube channel, which you will find a link for in the description of this film. Thank you. They are raping children and killing them in Norway. And that's also out on the film. In Kinn community, where my ex-wife Mona Alvestad was a community doctor, and today she's working with patient security for the Norwegian Doctors Association, the Norske Legeforening, which has their insurance in Trygg Insurance. Yep, and that's it. Because it is like Lighthouse Reports and NRK published on the 1st of February 2025. In Norway we have the most criminal justice system in the world. And when the whole system of justice is criminal, and the most criminal in the world, what about the government who allowed it to become like this? And what about our Storting and all the political parties, like Arbeiderpartiet, Fremskrittspartiet, Kristelig Folkeparti, Høyre, Venstre, Senterpartiet, Rødt, and all the other ones. MDG, Miljøpartiet De Grønne, environmental jerks, where they are having buses to go electric and they stop, and the escalator machines on the project of Bane NOR they have to have diesel generators on the side. It is just ridiculous, this whole country. Well, try to live in this country and open your mouth. You'll see what happens. Thank you.